Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to history lesson. And if you people remember, before lockdown we were studying about the Turkish Muslim conquer northern India. Now I'm going to give you the task of the next chapter, and next is Afghans and the Sultanate of Delhi. What you need to do is you need to read it carefully, the whole chapter. It's not difficult, okay? It's just only about the who are the next ruler who came and rule on India. The next ruler who come and rule on India, the next dynasty was the Khiljis. Basically, before that we were studying about the Turkish who rule on India, and now the next the Afghans they come. Khiljis they were Afghan. Jalaluddin Khilji was their founder, and after that the next ruler who was very strong, that was the Alauddin Khilji. He just murdered the Jalaluddin Khilji, and he ruled on India for the next years, and he was a very strong ruler. He made different kind of developments for the people of India, and he is very famous too. Then after that, the next dynasty was the Tughlaqs. Sultan Muhammad Tughlaq was a famous ruler of this dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty. He was a little bit, a controversial figure, because at the same time he was a poet, and then he was a philosopher. He was also a mathematician too. He did different kind of experiments, and just like the Chinese did at that time, they issued a paper currency. Same like the Tughlaq, he also tried to introduce the token currency too. Then he changed his capital, and then that was not a very successful, and that also become the reason of his decline too. Then in this chapter they also mention about Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta was basically a traveler. He traveled to India during the during this during this time period. He was a trained judge, or you may we called it Qazi too. So he lived in the Tughlaq court for almost 7 years. Then the next and the last ruler of the Tughlaq dynasty was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. He was a great builder. He built different buildings too. Then another, an important thing of this topic is about Taimur's invasion. Taimur was basically a Central Asian person, and he after he just invade India once, and then he left it and just go back to Samarkand, and he just left this area for the Sayyid and Lodi dynasty. Sayyids they ruled for India for a couple of years, and then the Skandar Lodi and Ibrahim Lodi, these two are the famous rulers who ruled for India for almost till 1526, and after that then Babur came, and he just finished the Ibrahim Lodi's reign, and or you may call it his time period. Now what we are going to do is, then I will mention the question. I will write down the question in the WhatsApp group, and I will also mention the page number. I will also mention the paragraphs too. You first of all you need to read it carefully, the whole chapter, right? There is nothing difficult in this chapter, but if you feel any problem, you need to ask me, okay? I will help you. But you have to just first of all carefully read it, and then answer the questions. Those are given at the end of the chapter, but not all of the question. I will write down the question in your in the WhatsApp group, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel any problem, do contact me, okay? Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.